How does a refrigerator work? A refrigerator works in the following steps. Number 1, the compressor compresses the refrigerant gas. The compressed gas heats up as it is pressurized. Number 2, the coils on the back of the refrigerator let the hot refrigerant gas dissipate its heat. The refrigerant gas condenses into liquid at high pressure. Number 3, the high pressure liquid flows through the expansion bulb. Number 4, the liquid immediately boils and vaporizes, its temperature dropping to about minus 25 degree Fahrenheit as the cold gas flows through the expansion coils inside the refrigerator. It makes the inside cold by absorbing heat. Number 5, the low pressure refrigerant gas is sucked up by the compressor and the cycle repeats. Now let's discuss the working of a refrigerator in more detail. The compressor, which is a critical component of the refrigerator, compresses the refrigerant gas. As it undergoes high pressure, the gas heats up. Now this gas transports to condenser coils, thin radiator pipes located at the back of the fridge, where the coils help dissipate its heat so that it becomes cool enough to condense and convert back into its liquid phase. Because the heat collected from the food items is given off the surroundings by the condenser, it feels hot to the touch. The high pressure liquid that we have now flows through the expansion bulb. Think of the expansion bulb as a small hole. On one side of the hole is high pressure refrigerant liquid. On the other side of the hole is a low pressure area because the compressor is sucking gas out of that side. After passing through the expansion bulb, the liquid experiences a drop in the pressure. As a result, it becomes a cool to the tune of 25 degree minus Fahrenheit gas. When this cool gas flows through the expansion coil installed inside the fridge, it absorbs heat and therefore makes the insides of the fridge cold. This low pressure refrigerant gas is once again sucked by the compressor and the whole cycle repeats, keeping the contents of a refrigerator perpetually cold.